Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Pictet Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. Pictet Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience offers an independent analysis and assessment of Pictet wealth management services. It's targeted towards high-net-worth individuals considering or already using Pictet's wealth management services, providing a balanced perspective on their offerings. Key features likely include an in-depth analysis of fees, investment strategies, and client service. Their website provides details on the specific areas covered in their reviews. Pictet Wealth Management's reputation precedes it, and this review service helps contextualize that reputation with a focus on practical user experiences. The website emphasizes transparency, although specific pricing isn't listed directly on their public pages, that's likely discussed in their detailed reports. There is no mention of contracts or hidden fees. Their approach seems geared towards providing independent, objective analyses of different wealth management strategies employed by Pictet. Availability is determined by purchasing their review reports. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Pictet Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. I was researching wealth management options and found their review intriguing. Getting started was straightforward. I simply purchased the report online, and it was delivered via email within 24 hours. The report itself is quite comprehensive. I appreciated the clear, concise explanations of Pictet's investment strategies, and the breakdown of fees was exceptionally detailed. The report also included testimonials and case studies from other clients, which added a layer of credibility. One particularly useful section compared Pictet's performance to that of its main competitors. The formatting could be improved, as the lengthy document lacked a really intuitive search function which made finding specific details a little tedious. I was slightly disappointed they didn't offer a downloadable PDF version, but being able to easily copy and paste relevant sections compensated. I had a quick question about a specific metric in the report, and their customer support responded within a day via email. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Pictet Wealth Management Review. It provided valuable insights and helped inform my decision-making process. While it has a few minor presentation quirks, it generally met my needs. That's my overview of Pictet Wealth Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.